Motorola has made a new clone of iPhone X called P30 that comes in an iridescent twilight color reminiscent of Huawei P20. The back of the phone looks almost identical to the iPhone X, except that the Apple logo has been replaced by the Motorola and works as a fingerprint sensor. The Huawei P20 comes in penumbra, which is a dark purple color that can turn blue, depending on the lighting you have. Motorola is calling it similar tone Aurora. By taking some of the looks of the iPhone X and the most memorable color of the Huawei P20, the Motorola P30 combines the best of both, even if some call it derivative. You will arrive in China before you see greater availability around the world. The Motorola P30 could be the same Motorola One Power. It has 6 GB of RAM, a Snapdragon 636 processor and a 3000 mAh battery. A clear mid-range device. Run Android 8.0 Oreo with Lenovo's ZUI 4.0 interface on it. The 6.2-inch screen has an aspect ratio of 19:9, resolution of 2246x1080, a 12-megapixel selfie camera and a chin that shows the Motorola logo. On the back, there are dual cameras, marking 16 megapixels and 5 megapixels. The front has a notch like the iPhone X, although the iPhone is a little wider, and is similarly without a bezel with a crystal body and facial recognition. It comes in black, white and Aurora.